everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to transfer primary ownership of Google My Business profile. What you need to do is head over to Google and search for My Business, and this interface will come up. And if it does not come up for you, then go to google.com/business, and then what you have to do is click on sign in. And then once you sign in, you'll get an interface like this. What you need to do is tap on these three dots, and then you're going to click on business profile settings, which is the first option. From there, the first thing that you see, people and access, you're going to click on this one. And then if you don't see the email that you want to transfer it to, you want to click on add, and then put in the email address, and you're going to click on owner and then click on invite and tell that person to accept this via their email. And there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.